Hey gang, today we're going to talk about wearing your sound kit properly. Let's head out to my backyard and I'll show you the proper way to be wearing your kit. Hey gang, so here we are talking about how to wear your sound kit properly. It is a beautiful day here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So, if people told you that Canada is only winter, well, I guess they're kind of wrong. First off, I'll let you know that to my right is a very busy street. And then in front of me, behind camera, is a park, although it's currently empty. And to the left of me is an alley, which is also kind of busy. So it might be a little noisy. Oh, look, we got a lawnmower starting up already. But I just want everyone to relax, because it's just a video. It's gonna be okay. Filming outside, there's gonna be some sounds like that. Probably airplanes overhead. All right? Okay. So, let's talk about wearing your sound kit properly. Actually, I might want to wait for the lawnmower. It's driving me nuts now. It's driving me nuts. Lawnmower's driving me nuts. Is that over in the park there? All right, we'll give it a second. Also, the sun is behind the clouds beautifully, which is kind of what I wanted for this video. But now, because of sound, we gotta wait. But I think it's gonna be in clouds for a while. All right, lawnmower. I was gonna cut, but lawnmower isn't as bad. So we'll continue after that vehicle goes by on the busy street that I decided to set this all up in my backyard for you all. All right, let's talk about why it's so important to wear your sound kit properly. I think we all kid in the alleyway. Why did I choose this spot? Okay, so why is it important to wear your kit properly? Well, I think we all know the answer to that, and that is because you want to save your back. So it is important to have your bag worn correctly so you don't further damage your back. Is that fair to say? Damage? Cause injury to it in the future so you don't need surgery. I already know some gentlemen in town that have had back surgeries. Not because of, well, I would assume not because of always wearing their bag improperly, but also there is lifting carts in and out of vans, heavy carts in and out of vans or trucks. So these are some of the things that have caused back issues for them. So so why do I know how to wear a bag properly? A couple reasons, not only just because for my job, but my wife owned a retail store that supplied baby products, mainly cloth diapers, all natural products for babies. But their big thing was slings, sling wearing, wraps, baby ergos, things like that. So people in the, baby wearing community would know what these things are. Or hopefully you as a parent know what they are. Should be wearing your babies. And since lawnmower started up again. All right, I'm getting a drink of water. I'm getting a drink of water because I've discovered making these videos that I have this weird sort of sound in my mouth that happens. Actually, I just shot a bunch of video and it was kind of all the way through it, although I can't hear it in my headphones, but when I play it back, I can hear it. It sounds like a ticking sound, and the first time I heard it, drove me crazy. I was trying to is it something I'm wearing? Is it something? Anyways, it's in my mouth. If you ever hear it, that's why I'm drinking water. That seems to help. I don't hear it right now, so maybe it's happening. but I don't hear it. So the same rules to that apply to wearing your bag correctly. So what are those? So one is keep your baby close to you. So yeah, that's what we're doing, right? Keep your baby close to you. The other thing is the baby's butt shouldn't go lower than your belly button. Same with your bag. The bottom of the bag should not go lower than the belly button. As you can see, as everything's tight, it's up high. This is the proper way to wear your kit in order to save your back. Also, your harness is important. This is a K-Tech harness. This one attaches at 6 points. Most of them attach at 4 points. You know, I don't think it's really important which product or which company's harness you have, but it's just more of how you wear it. I bought this one because I like the 6 point and I like the lumbar support in the back. Now, issue with this particular harness is that you can't get it on and off very quickly, so you have to, it takes a little bit of time to get used to doing that. Anyways, what else was I going to say? I always lose my train of thought. Right. So yes, having the bag up here, right, up close to me, and the bottom of it at my belly button, as you can see. What I don't like to see, what drives me absolutely mental, and I see you people out there wearing them, is this one. Okay, we're gonna try to lower it. This. Wearing it by the crotch. Try to hold this. Wearing it by the crotch. That's comfy? Like, does that, like, I could feel all the weight being pulled down. Like, this is, why? You people are gonna have to explain it to me why you like, I guess you like it lower because then you can have, ooh. What happened to my mic? Oh, I hit the fader when I did that. So, I guess because you like to have your hands lower, I'm guessing, for use, would be my only guess, but otherwise I couldn't do this for a long day. So, what I do is I pull it up like so, and then pull these in tight, like that. There you go. So this is mainly referring to people that are, that have heavier kits. I see people that have, 8 wires, have something like a 688 or a bigger mixer recorder in your bag, and IFBs and Comtex. There's also the people that will have that and they'll just use the strap. They'll use the shoulder strap that comes with it and wear it. Again, don't understand that. That situation can be okay if you have something like a MixPre 6, something really small and doesn't weigh a ton, only like a few pounds. I've seen people do that. That's fine. I guess if you want to have a little sound purse that you carry around, great. If that works for you. Also, keeping your bag as light as you can. I know that can get expensive, as I did recently by switching from 411As to SRCs. But over 10 years ago, what would it have been, 2008, one of my kits was a Fusion, a Zexcom Fusion, and then 4 to 5 Lectrosonics 411As, and I did a reality TV series chasing around people doing that. And that bag was probably, God, it had to be over 20 pounds with everything I had in it. Now I have this, which is a much smaller bag, smaller kit, so the weight is reduced, and it does all the same amount as my older kit, that first kit I had. I've got 4 wireless in here, and this bag weighs roughly 13 pounds. So thank you all you companies, Sound Devices, Lectrosonics, Zexcom, that you keep making the bags lighter and our kits lighter. That will save on your back a ton. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you found it useful. I'm sure I'll get a few comments about it. Great. I like to hear it. Good or bad, whatever. Yeah, so Just wear your bags correctly. That's all I want to see. I want to see more photos of people wearing the bags correctly. All right. Okay. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I'm on all the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all under the name Fierce Sound. And if you're liking what I'm doing here and you want me to keep doing it, just hit that subscribe button.